25-26. I'm doing a hit recap from our 25-26 Topps Blaster 5-box Blackout Target exclusive break. It's going to highlight any of the special inserts and the blackouts, of course. All right. So here we go. Behringer, Rasacher, Dort, McBride, Coward, Gobert, Cam Thomas, Desmond Bain, Shaden Sharp, DeAndre Ayton, Jared McCain, Danny Wolf, Kelly Oubre Jr., Noah Penda, Jordan Clarkson, Emmanuel Quickley, and here we go again. Rasher, Behringer, McBride, Coward, Gobert. We got DC Duo Dazzle City, Desmond Bain, Dort again. Conan Niedenhauser, Cody Williams, Brandon Ingram, Cam Jones, Quentin Post, Lonzo Ball, Iceman, Devin Carter, Pure Magic, Brandon Williams, Tijane Salon, Kevin Garnett, Ryu Hachimura, Giannis, James Harden, and Maxime Reynaud. All right, we have a numbered card here to 2025. Suns Duo Heat Up. We've got a pink speckle, not numbered, Danny Wolf. We've got a teal speckled Victor Wembanyama, also not numbered. And we get this cool Clutch Prospects, or Clutch City Prospects, sparkle Dylan Harper. All right, guys, that'll do it. Appreciate you filling it up. We'll get it shipped out tomorrow. Thanks a lot.